pagdating sa attack points because that set was a lot closer than it looked. Pero look at the block points and look at the errors. That's a 1918 sa attack points. Pero yung errors ng Ateneo almost did them in, if not for the magic of Joanna Maraguinot and the late game heroics, of course, in that set by Eliza Valdez.
It was excellent. Actually, both teams really worked very hard itong set number 2. Makikita natin longer rallies and yung sipag both sa defense at the floor and at the net. But you know, like Joanna Maraguinot really stood out dito para sa Ateneo. She has been carrying the whole team you know.
In that set at least.
Yeah.
Well, dito nga sa ating third set, nakita na natin UP improved very well nung ating second set, but it still wasn't enough. Will it be enough ngayon? Kailangan nila ulit yung attack points. Dorog has been playing well para sa UP, pero again, Maraguinot has just been playing exceptionally para sa Ateneo.
I have to agree. And siguro, you know, one thing that we have to say that, you know what, UP is really doing well at the moment is how they're able to manage to minimize the errors. Imagine 3 errors lang for the second set.
Well, Ateneo was shooting themselves in the foot also. Yung kanilang 10 errors, really a little too much for them. And again, Eliza had a very slow start doon sa ating second set na yon. So, if they can minimize that, well, Ateneo is probably looking good to get this in 3 sets. But again, you can't count out the Lady Maroons right now.
Ayun na nga lang second set na muntik-muntikang pang makuha ng UP.
And the magic continues for Joanna Maraguinot. Again, hindi po natin sinasabi na si Joanna Maraguinot is not playing her normal game. She is playing her normal game, pero may mga halong...
May kasama pang swerte, so lalo na.
There it is again. Molde, Maraguinot, Tan, pati siya, sumali na. Perhaps one of the smallest setters in the league. So Maraguinot, the 20-year-old beach volleyball specialist. Here's Lai. Dorog. Kept alive by Ahumiro. Habol si Tan. Free ball from De Jesus. Estranero. Lai. Dorog. Combination. Tan. Kabila. Eliza. This is
too sharp for Valdez.
This is our cameraman also by just a few inches. So now, UP on the board. Juulay. Tan, running attack. Madi Madaya kept alive by Isa Molde. Ariel Estranero now. Molde, tinawid. Jesus. Tan, nanggugulat na naman. Carlos.
Oh, net violation error against Valdez.
Yep. So right now, tied at 2. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's League. Tan, Valdez. Second ball, initsa na. Valdez tries again. Molde is everywhere. Dorog, yes!
Without any effort, Dorog. Maganda yung court sense itong batang to
Right.
Pero she could give out the strong hits, pero alam din niya kung kailan niya kailangan magbigay ng off-speed.
Well, right now, itong si Juulay served very well in that second set. Eliza. Sabi ni Eliza, malamang hindi ko matatamaan yung sahig. Tamaan ko lang yung taong nakapatong dun sa sahig. And Isa Molde is going to say, yan ba yung makakatapat ko sa UAP?
Ipapakilala
Oo. Madayag. Carlos dumps it over with the left hand. Nato si Madayag. Eliza dumping it over. Bakit pag si Eliza parang ang dali-dali?
Again, probably because you would be expecting her na papalo ng malakas. Kasi
Atrasan nga lahat
yung approach niya sa pagpalo, it doesn't change regardless of whether balak niyang paluin or i-drop.
Madayag on the serve. Molde. Lai, Dorog, soft shot. And the soft shot of Justine Dorog has been fooling the Ateneo floor defense.
So we would expect probably that Justine Dorog would be doing a lot of that when she's at the front line. So we're tied 4-all. A good start here for the Lady Maroons.
Trying to get the lead. Tan, De Leon. Somehow nailusot kay Layog. Sabi ni Layog, one more time, babawi ako. 5-4. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Good serve by Tan. Layog. Babawi sana, blocked by Valdez. Carlos, this time, uses Ella De Jesus as her target.
Good hit by Carlos. Nakakuha siya ng magandang buwelo dito. Past few attacks, medyo palubo pa yung bola, pero ito nakatusok siya ng isa eh.
And that's an ultra-fast spike brought to us by PLDT Homoltera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. So, how many freshmen for UP? Layog, Molde, Dorog, at itong si Carlos. 4 freshmen. Trying to give Ateneo a run for their money. Oh!
Carlos once again. Actually makikita mo pag maganda ang take-off nito si Carlos. There's a 99% chance that it's going to be a really good hit.
This was a vicious hit coming from the freshman, Diana Carlos. Segue to another freshman, the 16-year-old Maris Layog. Tan. Rongo may papa into the net. And finally, a move for a substitution here from Coach Tai. Kim Hekeliana seeing her first action. So Hekeliana, who usually gets the start as well, pag quicker ang nilalaro ni Amy. Now in as the utility spiker. Layog. Valdez, Tan, Maraguinot. What a day for Joanna Maraguinot.
Yeah, mapa frontline, backline. She's really doing overtime for Ateneo.
And here's Eliza Valdez serving right now for Ateneo. Follow her on Volley Friends on Viber Public Chat using Viber. Just click follow. Viber Friends, hanapin niyo yan. Sama niyo dyan yung mga Santiago Sisters. Nandiyan na rin si Peter Torres. And a whole lot more. De Leon. Tabla na tayo, 7-all. So Ateneo now fighting fire with fire. Valdez once again. Combination. Oh, Diana Carlos.
Good hit from Carlos.
And Diana Carlos gives the Fighting Maroons a 1-point lead sa ating first technical timeout of set number 3.
Coach Parley still mentioned several issues that the Lady Eagles have to address. Aside from the unforced errors they committed, sabi ni Coach na kailangan daw mag-communicate ng mga girls sa loob ng court. Dahil nakulangan siya nito noong nakaraang set. Nahuhulugan daw sila ng bola dahil hindi alam kung sino ang kukuha at nagkakagulo sa diskarte kasi they're not always on the same page. Kaya ang pakiusap niya ay mag-usap sila. Meanwhile, Coach Jerry tried to make the Lady Maroons realize that there's a difference between hindi kayang bumawi at ayaw bumawi. Seeing what his girls are capable of, he feels that their problem is the latter. Coming to this match, they weren't expecting for anything grand naman daw. But what he wants is for them to end the game without frustration and regret that they could have done more. Kaya daw habang may oras pa, magpurugsige pa dapat sila. Back to you guys.
O pwedeng kontrapelo ng Ateneo itong UP. We don't know. But
yeah.
I remember about last year, Ateneo was brought to 5 sets by UP squad without this lineup. And we have a long rally that ends with an illegal attack.
So crossing violation or it was over?
Illegal attack. May galing back row na tumapak sa guhit. So if Joanna Maraguinot is having a great game for Ateneo, etong pambawi ng UP. Si Diana Carlos. Carlos with that serve. Tan. Maraguinot. Pero iba pa rin yung Maraguinot.
Saktong-sakto sa linya eh.
Ilang beses na yan, tatamaan yung linya, tatama yung bola sa net, mahuhulog.
Yeah. And I guess, kasi yung target na lagi is end line.
Yeah.
So, it sort of confuses the defensive possessions itong UP. Outside ba to? Inside. Diba?
Pero I think the antidote to that is, if it's Joanna Maraguinot, just
sumagad ka talaga eh.
Get it na lang. Molde! Ginawa niyang circus act itong si Bea De Leon na nag-tumbling pa para makuha yung bola.
When you look at it, analyze it what's really working for the attacks itong UP is either yung mga off-speed nila, yung hindi nila diretso binibigay sa pwesto ng tao.
Maraguinot off the block. Estraniero, Lai, Dorog. Maraguinot got to that one. Hekeliana, blocked there by Buitre and Dorog.
Hekeliana, medyo malamig pa coming off the bench.
Usually starts, pero again, tama ka, coming off the bench. Naninibago pa. That was Justin Dorog actually with the block. Molde. Not a good reception by Hekeliana. UP now up by 5. The freshman, Isa Molde. But before her serve, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. A timeout by Ty Bundit.
Stop na. Stop. Get one na.
The coach Ty calling a timeout just to stop the momentum, but he said at the end of that, just get one. Maragino trying to be happy.
Of course, you know, yung ganyan talaga yun, it's how the mind works eh.
Right.
You're down, but you really can't think na parang yun yung, na you're at a disadvantage.
Molde
Oh,
into
another
the
good
face
serve.
of De Jesus. Maragino, Estranero, Lai.
No crossing
Towards
violation,
Joel,
yeah.
That's too near the net. So 13-9, UP up by 4. Came Hekeliana. With an
Good
ace.
serve.
So may contribution na rin off the bench. Ito Ateneo. Down to 3.